Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4 Energy. Objectives of this chapter: simple machines and their basic concept and mechanical advantage, types of simple machines, different orders of levers, and numerical based on mechanical advantage. Before starting this chapter, we will discuss the basic concept of work and energy. Work. We often use the word work in our everyday lives. The work may be done in lifting an object, moving, crushing, or bending objects, and so on. In physics, the term work has a specific meaning. When a force acts on an object to move it some distance from the starting point, this movement is called displacement. So, work is said to be done when an applied force moves a body through a distance. In other words, we can say work is the product of force and displacement. Mathematically, work is equal to force into displacement. The unit of work in SI system is Newton meter, which is called joule. Work is a scalar quantity. So, work is a form of energy. Note that first point, work done could be either positive or negative. Second, when both the force and displacement in the same direction, that is positive work done. Third point, when a force acts in a direction opposite to the direction of displacement, the work done is negative. Numerical based on work. Rahul pushes a book by applying a force of 40 newtons. Find the work done by this force if the book is displaced by 5 meter along the path. Here, force is equal to 40 newtons and displacement is 5 meter along the path. We know that work is equal to force into displacement. Now substitute the value of F and S. So 40 into 5 Newton meter. After multiplication we have work is equal to 200 Newton meter. So we can say work is equal to 200 joule. Energy. The energy of an object is its ability to do work. Energy is the cause and work is its effect. Therefore, work and energy have the same units, which is joule in SI system. Now, different forms of energy. First, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is two types: kinetic energy and potential energy. Mechanical energy. All moving objects produce mechanical energy. So, the energy that is possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position. Mechanical energy is of two types: kinetic energy and potential energy. So, first, kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Example, a moving car possesses mechanical energy due to its motion, running water, etc. Second, potential energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or configuration. For example, a book on the table before it falls, a child at the top of a slide, etc. Energy appears in many forms such as electrical energy, solar energy, nuclear energy, chemical energy, electromagnetic energy, etc. Machines. Machines make work easier by changing the amount of force or direction of force. A machine is a device which helps us to do work more easily. Or machine is a device that allows a small force to overcome a larger one. Six different devices are generally as simple or basic machines: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, and screw. The terms often used with regard to machines are effort and load. Effort. Effort is the force that is applied to the machine to do mechanical work. Load. Load is a force that the machine applies to the object. Without the machine, the effort would equal the load. With it, the effort is usually much less than the load. So, man uses some devices or tools to make his work easier and completed in a lesser time. Mechanical advantage of a machine. The mechanical advantage of a machine is the ratio of the load to the effort. Mathematically, mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Numerical based on mechanical advantage. In a machine, an effort of 10 kg force is applied to lift a load of 100 kg force. What is its mechanical advantage? Here, load is given 100 kg force, effort is given 10 kg force, and we know that mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. So, mechanical advantage is equal to 100 kg force by 10 kg force. After cancellation, we have mechanical advantage is 10. So, mechanical advantage of a machine is 10. Machines can be categorized into two types. First, simple machines, and second, complex machines. Simple machine. A simple machine is a device that makes our work easier and completed in a lesser time. For example, a pair of tongs, a knife, a screwdriver, a pair of pliers. Complex machines. This consists of a large number of simple machines combined together, or complex machines which are made up of two or more simple machines. For example, swing machine, tractor, aircraft, bicycle, etc. We will discuss types of simple machines in next video class. Thank you.